Hello, everybody. So, my name is Ethan Walker, and I'm going to be going over the unit that hopefully your young ones are going to be working on today, which is going to be the historical arguments essay. So, the main idea is that students will be picking a specific topic or a person from history. Say, they'll be looking at the Trail of Tears, they'll be looking at the Boston Tea Party, events like this, and they're going to be making an argument as to whether those actions were correct, incorrect, if a decision was right or wrong, and why they think that. And then they'll be using information that is sourced from actual documents, biographies, journals, documentaries, anything from a credible source. We're going to be looking for a minimum of three. And they're going to be writing a short essay about that, which will contain an introduction, body paragraphs, a counter argument, and a conclusion. Or students will be given the option to create a presentation that demonstrates all that same information.